Hello viewers, welcome to Areebadrawingtutorials. Today we are drawing a circle scenery. Here I am using a 6HB pencil. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and do comment. It helps me to improve further and to make more drawings for you. I am drawing an island and sunset scene, drawing two coconut trees facing each other. Using such type of strokes, you can easily draw the coconut tree leaves. I hope you like my drawing. Please do comment and let me know how did you like my drawing. It's very relaxing. Now the bark of the tree, shading it with the same pencil. You can use a normal pencil. Here I am using a shading pencil. It's just beginner drawing, so you can use any kind of pencil or pen you like. This is the rock on which the two coconut trees are, so I'm shading it in black, as it's a sunset scenery and the shade is upon the rock. Now shading the sun, and it's all done. Thanks for watching. Please enjoy and comment.